want to ask you about situation that happened. This situation happened earlier this year. The passing of Merciless. I know you and Merciless were good friends. You guys recorded songs together, all type of stuff. Tell me how that situation even affected you, and when was the last time you spoke to Merciless before he even died?
Brother John woman, Mr. Merciless, I'm vexed, no man.
Mhm.
Every day we have to think about Merciless, man. The man will make you laugh till you're dead, brother.
Hmm.
I be a lyrics man every day, the man have a bag of sitting attack. They fight Merciless, the man, suffer, man, I'm going, you want the man dead, my yo, that end up, do that shit, man, dead, doing my yo. Yeah, you see Merciless, brother. Me and the man have rolled for how much years now, and he's a man with that, man, they be the lyrics at this me. I one song where he said, bring go and Moses and sit. One time, some war go on the man, but Billy, and he called me name that song. And when me see him and I said, yo, Merciless, oh, man, you have to be bridging my youth. I do song and this me here, man. So, you know, say, I shoot out of them boy here, and you turn upside of them. Gunshot now, very bench shell now with your bias. I'm a boss. And that, yo, I say, oh, them, I want to this thing, brother. I say, man, but yo, the man lyrical, the man kill him lyrics at it. And guess what? Me and the man talk, brother. Like about 2 weeks before, and then the man I said, we didn't do some dub plate with it. But it's a man, me and him chat regular, you know. Like, it's a man on me there, me hard, but only man who can call me any hours, and me answer.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? 3 o'clock at night. One more time, I put my phone on silent to go sleep. If my phone ring 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm see it ring, I'm see the Merciless, me up in the line in the car. You see, anytime that the man that call brother, appear joke, brother, I be dead. And the man that's so sick and chat, I be laughing, man. Then you know what I say? We have some dog plate with the man, I'm tell man, say, yo, we'll meet up by studio, and instead of meet him up by Shan studio, Mona. I will meet him up by studio, like we up there, wait for him.
Mm-hmm.
No call back him and the man say, Bell, they act him that. And him have vomit and so sitting. I said, brother, don't doctor, you fi come and you want. But if you have Bill, if you have the and man say, you want me to go. I'm telling man say, make sure you make him and go at that time. And you don't know what I say. The next day, the man call me and say, yo, me up now, you know, man. Come in, link up, man. I'm going to link him up and dub them. The what notice when the man do the dub them, brother. Like the man that have about 20 dub or 15 dub for do. And me see, the first thing I notice, which is a red light, me see man get a chair. Like, he advise me about them, man, turn on chair come and sit down and I do it dub them. So me I said, sit down and do dub. After I never really see Mercy, I don't saw we do dub. Dub I sitting where once a man said dub, we just turn up a chopper at 5, 6 dub and I really care. So me now I want to sit down too long now. Me I said, John, I go there just sit down and want to eat. But we don't know why problem. The man do about 4 dub. I said done.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, I'm not hoping about my mouth tonight. I tired me there. I'm saying, brother, how that? You can't have 15 dub for do or 20 dub and you do 4 and stop. And I say, nah, I do not move tonight. And I just 9 o'clock. I was up. So I say, brother, you can't do that, man. I'll come here and go, tomorrow and so. Anyway, you know, the next day we go there and we and him and he done up here. The next week, we're power and studio and the man come up there. He come with one different thing, but the man get one car, man, a new brand when I under them, see it? And the man I show me car where him still like car and a chat and when I show me both nine of them say, yo, I run, me go run back the place and now right now the car management. Both me go but I say DJ then that more you do bad man. But no want you kill a man your vehicle to drive, brother. No want you ramp with your life right now, car. The last time I want big van to drive and he must left it somewhere. I want mix up one and the van mess up and me I say DJ, you know why? You see that vehicle, you know? But no want you get no money steering, brother. You want to drive a car because you have a friend. I was glad to say you get in a new vehicle and we want you to keep it good, brother. And deal with your career general, take care of your career and stop going like say you feel like it's done or what. You're big already, you know? We are encouraging, man. But today I tell the man, say, brother, hear me I say, man, you see all at night time, brother, I give yourself everybody and go to your yard, general, and stop sleeping in a hotel job. Because if sitting do you in a hotel, you know, You know, I have nobody to rush to go on that, brother. I tell you, them, you tell you, I know, say, you never the man whoever can do that. If anything, a man can rush to go somewhere, brother. You don't need him. I said to me, said, no work, now their country. So I said, brother, no work, no, they nowhere right now. You know, say, internet run work. About me, phone work come to me, I can't do anywhere and do work. You know? And then, like, one time, you have to just, there one place, two, or this, you have to. You have to, you have to see if and do your thing and stop. So it's not some place. You have to, brother. Me did that reading the money Wednesday night in the general. The Thursday. Me did it. Me go on my bed, me dream set. Merciless go and check me and dip on the drive. We have on a cigarette. And me and him down there reason. Thursday night, me dream that, you know. It's Friday. My nephew, ex-wife called me from England and said, I talked to me and I said, boy, look how you're doing your thing and I see you doing your thing still. And I said, where's Merciless? Oh my God. He made us laugh that day, man. He's like, what do you, that man, big him up. I sent me one picture with the man and the man. Pick up, so you know, a long time picture, you know. I said, John, well, you know what I said? I saw you DJ, if you look back, you know, what man I do this? I sure I had my bridge there, yo, look over the one picture. I say, man, if you look back right there now, and you know, that Friday, you know. You see, Saturday, brother, I just find myself, I post back Merciless video then. For my status, for my IG, everything. But some video, I have video. You see, some of them I get up, I see him thing, I find myself I do, you know. Like just a posting video then, you know. I listen to this. Monday night, one brother called me from Japan, and I tell me, say, him brother want to but thing a Guyana, which artist me could have get with myself. He carry down there, and I say, I mean, man, that was Merciless. And the man talk about holding me, and the man chat about Merciless, you know. And the man say, well, I mean, I want to go dog, and I chat about man. And when the man chat about the man, brother, I just hear one big knocking on the window, boom, 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 like it. Brother, I say, how that? You say, me do some pull the curtain. I don't say, no dog, no breeze and blow, nothing at all, nah, like you. I don't know why, you know. I tell the man, say, hungry, you hear me? Now come on, iPhone, because I don't know what that means. If somebody I try to break you out or what, but sitting go on, you know. You don't know what I say. The morning, me wake up. And me feel like, you know, I wake up, I don't know what you do with your day, like, I just feel one way, like my last, you know. And I just drive to a country in a Britain and go check. Because, you know, don't have 17 and then I just don't read after the attack and I say, well, you know, so I just wake up and I feel right now and say me I drive to my country cost down the car. I don't know why, you know, brother. I don't know what say. But then on the phone, that me see phone ring go after 3 and a sound man call and say, he must send the money next day, guy want 2 songs from Merciless and 1 from me. See it? And I tell him, I mean, man, a simple thing, man, I want rare. And me go call Merciless, but when we look at phone, they are 3%. So when we see phone, they are 3%, I say, I'm plug in that one and charge. I'm done my call out. Listen, this in a brother. Phone and charge will go after 5. That's when the phone charge up and I see read 90 and plug out. When I turn on the phone general, I see, when I'm bridging from above you, call me. And then me answer him. I say, what I want? The man I say, yo, John Woodard. What that means to go on? I say, we do what? Yeah. John Woodard, you know, say, come like me. I say, oh boy, drop out dog. I say, who that? So I say, oh boy, who that? And the man says, boy, I don't even want to tell you, you know, DJ, call me and call things you hear, because I know what I say it. And, you know, but I say, brother, you have to tell me, where I tell me about drop out and you're not. And he said, boy, I don't want to say it to you, you know, dog. And I said, who? I said, no, with DJ, man. I said, which DJ? Man, I said, no, man. So the man said that to me now. I said, I'm joking. I'm Merciless drop out. You're mad, man. A rumor that dog. They don't know, say, me, no, the man attack to me, boss, man. A beer message, me see I come in from my WhatsApp, beep, like every minute. I said, there was so much message I come in from my WhatsApp, all of us. Sit and go on. When me look, me see one of my next friend from me, when new Merciless school. I call me, so me tell him, hold on, man, we hear this man, I say, man, because this man, I must know. You see, when me click over answer, brother, you see, I hear the man say, John Woodard, you know, hear what I go on. You see, me hear that alone. Me heart drop, come here and say, Frank, this man sound so. Sit around. The man said, me I say, what? Yeah, man. Merciless not dead, man. Me say, what you say? The man said, Merciless dead when I'm reaching the on the spot right now. Watch a thing on video call. Boy, me said, brother, at 5 o'clock, the man tell me that. And you know what time I get about that here after 11 midnight, yeah? It come like a world chap down on my head, God. It come like that. I said, Jesus Christ, what is? Oh, it's like you have a glass in your hand and it slip out and mash that. He come here and say, this your man gone, brother. Jesus Christ, the world lose again. Because the first thing come to my mind is, yo, me now get no more joke in a life again, you know, brother. Me now no joke forget again. You know? The man give me jokes to tell me and my son all drive and I mean by man joke, the man a chat about the man, you know. The man tell me son say, who me a carry you come by, go buy some fish and my son say, what me get a lady from someone tell me, say me want the fish there, that is Sunday you to tell me that. So you see, night when you win that knock, I man that a call, I check him and go and check me, you know, and I tell me saying dead, you know. Because me I used to from the Monday night, the man going there, Monday night evening going there. I like from the Monday night, the man dead. See? So when we are talking about him, me and my bridging by the phone, and you hear a big knocking on the window, and not explaining, no reason and blue. It come like I man spirit calling, and I said, boy, Mafia, I'm gone, you know. Brother, I want to wickedest thing about one I heard general when Merciless dead, man. The grief, I know, because it's what me know the heart of Merciless have I want good youth, I want humble person, and plus me know a lyrical capacity of this man, the man full of lyrics, the man full of lyrics, the man full of lyrics, daddy. And plus the man have joke, the man have talk, the man have style, and the man have love in his heart for people. You understand? So he hurt me bad, he hurt me really deep. It's not a normal loss to the whole music industry. And I know me wanna hurt, you know, brother. A whole heap of people are hurt from Merciless.
Because I seen you at the funeral at the 9. You were everywhere. You were really supporting Merciless, almost like this way Merciless would have supported you if the roles were reversed.
General, the reason why I have to do that. You say me not do that, me can't forgive myself. You know? The way Merciless is real to me and a friend that. But cannot go on like I just want a normal thing like, yeah man, Merciless dead and hate. Me have to do everywhere, brother. All the morning when me I go to church, me see the next man I'm like, oh, you want me to go for the funeral? Me say, brother, me have to do everywhere. My friend I'm buried. I want to feel like the things that my friend can dead and me just stand up at all. Yeah, man, I go to the graveside. Me have to do everywhere. Night, everything me have to do with the boss. Hey, brother, me there look my man. There they are, the man set up, you know. And we out of one part, the dance I keep out on the front and on stage show. Ricky Choke for them are sitting and then I want Christian thing I go around in my yard. And brother, me out on the front. I mean in a dance stand up. And all my mind I tell me some Merciless coming up. Because we know he's here. He's a man like when we used to go up there, so if we go link him, he will around the yard and I race up and I say, yo, man, I out on the road them and me soon come. And me like he never them would have gone a dance and then him would have come when he wake up. So all when me out there, you know, brother, all my mind, like every minute, me have to just say, oh, this one rolling, you know. Then time the man dead yard me there, you know, brother. I see life, brother. It did remember this dead teach me about life, brother. Say, yo, life I want something where you have to cherish every moment, general. Because you don't know when that your time, brother. Me say, me in a man dead yard and I think say man soon coming. And I try to remind myself, I say, oh, I did the man dead dog. You know what, even ask but man which one. One time Charlie Blacks come in a party, you know, dog, and we did a turn up with Charlie Blacks. You know? And me and Charlie Blacks are reason. And my man to tell Charlie Blacks, say, yeah man, the DJ some rolling in my wrist. Me like in my mind to say, you know, to how it unreal if you know say I man dead, you know. You know when me know say I man blows and skirt dead general. When me see man casket that go down in a grave now, you know. And me realize that Jesus Almighty God, Merciless dead for you, you know. You know, say all the day when they have a viewing, 2 days before a funeral, and people are calling about you, you know, look for murder, I say, look for what? I don't want to see my friend in a grave, bad man, you want me to chop down or what? And guess what? I go in a church, man, in there, and the casket lock. I say, oh, I deal to that casket, like at least I get to see Merciless in an grave. And I go up there and make me talk and whatever. And yes, when we go up I see the grave and I see coffin, I go in a grave and I see laugh general. Me say me feel it. I say, no man, dead for you, and you don't know what. Then keep one stage show back out the road and showing a player sitting out there with everybody in a brother and you don't know what say. When it had done and everything, Mr. Member say, I say, blow that skirt and murder. One we left down in the bush there. Now when I go back down that in that, I left my friends there. Cause you know why I do that? I know I say my friend wouldn't go left me in a bush there with the brother. Merciless is a man where the way he is with the DJ, where they go find the one, yo, where and dead with me. And you know, so I go back down the yard and I see one of them brother. I say, yo, me and my son in the brother. I say, oh, right now, I look who I'm going to watch Merciless now before we go in. I'm good on my bush in my yard, down there where I'm buried. And when me down there, I want monitor box in my jar. I take out and put on the man grave and start play music. I come before me. And when me down there play music, I sit in a brother. I see me see my niece, them and nephew, them and be a bike and be a van and car, everything I come back down there when you look at a big dance, it on out in a brother. Because me did a silly kind of chat song over sitting by the mic and when you look in a brother, after one, I left down there, big pot of curry chicken, I cook back and with liquor, saying goodbye back in. And me tell you, whole night with the money. Before me could have left in a general and say, why, at least, the man gone down. I know say, yes, actually, he did this. Right now, we're planning to go up, they go cook food Christmas Day and sit now one only packing same with that. Our real friend that we can't turn back on him. Nah, say nothing bad about him and try to kill his legacy. Because I know say I want good you. Merciless are generous. Real DJ, we do this. And much of the place and prove say in great. So we can't take what that from him. I show me here with that. I realist. I don't follow illusion and what people are say about man. And when I know, I say, you hear me? I tell you?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.